Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Next English Podcast. Have you ever asked yourself, why can I understand English, but I can't speak it fluently? Maybe you've been learning English for months or even years. You know grammar, you know vocabulary, you watch English videos, but when it's time to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank. If that sounds like you, don't worry. You're not alone. Fluency isn't something you're born with. It's something you build through the right habits. Today, I'm going to share 7 simple habits that fluent English speakers use every day. These habits are practical, easy to follow, and can completely change the way you learn English. So grab a notebook, stay until the end, and let's begin. Habit 1. Think in English. The biggest mistake English learners make is translating every sentence from their native language. Translation slows your brain down. Instead, train yourself to think directly in English. Start with simple thoughts. I'm hungry. I need some water. It's raining today. The weather is nice. Describe everything around you. My phone is on the table. The window is open. The room is quiet. Don't worry about making mistakes. The goal is to think, not to be perfect. Spend just 5 minutes every day thinking only in English. After a few weeks, you'll notice that speaking becomes much easier. Habit 2. Speak every day. Many learners only study English. They rarely speak it, but speaking is a skill. And every skill improves through practice. You don't need a partner. Talk to yourself. Describe your daily routine. Explain what you're doing. Retell a movie you watched. Read a short paragraph aloud. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Remember, practice doesn't make perfect. Practice makes progress. Even 5 minutes of speaking every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Habit 3. Learn phrases, not just words. Many students memorize long vocabulary lists, but native speakers don't speak word by word. They use phrases. Instead of learning the word hungry, learn, I'm starving. I'm really hungry. I could eat anything. Instead of learning happy, learn, I'm so excited. I'm really pleased. I'm on cloud 9. When you learn phrases, your brain remembers complete sentences. That helps you speak naturally and faster. Habit 4. Listen to English every day. If you want to speak English well, you must hear English every day. Listen to podcasts. Watch YouTube videos. Watch interviews. Listen to audiobooks. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Focus on understanding the main idea. Little by little, your ears become familiar with pronunciation, intonation, and natural expressions. Listening builds speaking. The more English you hear, the more naturally you'll speak. Habit 5. Copy native speakers. This method is called shadowing. Choose a short English clip. Listen to one sentence. Pause. Repeat exactly like the speaker. Copy the pronunciation. Copy the rhythm. Do this for 10 minutes every day. You'll quickly notice improvements in your pronunciation and confidence. Habit 6. Stop being afraid of mistakes. One of the biggest enemies of fluency is fear. Many learners stay silent because they're afraid of making mistakes. But think about this. Did you speak your first language perfectly when you were a child? Of course not. You learn it by making thousands of mistakes. English is no different. Every mistake teaches you something new. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Speak now. Improve later. Confidence comes after speaking, not before. Habit 7. Build a daily English routine. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need to study for 5 hours. Just spend 30 minutes every day. For example, 5 minutes thinking in English, 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes speaking, 5 minutes learning new phrases. If you repeat this routine every day, your English will improve much faster than studying randomly once in a while. Small daily actions create big results. Final message. Let's quickly review today's 7 habits. Think in English. Speak every day. Learn phrases instead of single words. Listen to English daily. Copy native speakers. Don't fear mistakes. Build a daily routine. Remember, fluency doesn't happen overnight. It happens one day at a time. If you stay consistent, you'll be surprised by how much your English improves after a few months. Thank you so much for listening to Next English Podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future English lessons. Keep practicing, keep believing, and most importantly, never stop learning. I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.